Russian fighters challenge Ukrainian defenses, new tactic in action? The Russian Aerospace Forces, VKS, have adopted a new tactic by operating in offensive positions and moving into the range of Ukrainian anti-aircraft systems. Russian fighters in range of NASAMS, Iris-T and S-300. According to the Kyiv Military Command, Russian fighters are flying less and less on patrol and are instead deliberately entering the range of Ukrainian anti-aircraft systems such as the Soviet S-300s, Patriots, Iris-T and NASAMS. The new Russian tactic aims to discover the location of the Ukrainian anti-aircraft defense. This poses a calculated risk to Russian planes, as Ukraine will have to turn on its radars to target the missiles in case of interception. Oleksiy Dmitrashkovsky, head of the United Press Center of Ukraine of the Tavrik Directorate, confirmed the change in tactics. Ukraine receives AWACS targeting information from the US and NATO. The fact that Ukrainian air defense radars are not being used suggests that Ukraine is bombing Russian positions thanks to real-time targeting information provided by US and NATO AWACS. This new Russian tactic had already been announced at the beginning of the year by the command in Moscow, which implies that Russia has accepted the possibility of losing planes in the process. Coordination between Iranian Shahed 136 and Russian drones Lancet. The Russian armed forces have also changed their drone tactics, using Iranian Shahed 136s as decoys to locate fixed or mobile air defense systems. When a system identifies the drone as a threat and fires a missile, the Russian Lancet kamikaze drone attacks the system from another direction. This coordination raises the question of whether the Russians have managed to synchronize the data transfer between the Iranian Shahed 136 drones and the Russian Lancet drones. Using aerial bombs as decoys. The Russian Air Force has begun using 500 and 1,500 kilograms aerial bombs as decoys. As Ukrainian air defense systems attempt to intercept the bomb, they become visible to Russian airborne fighters, which launch Kh-31P air-to-surface missiles at them. Air defense battery commanders must make difficult decisions to intercept flying threats, knowing that they could put their own air defense systems at risk. Russia prepares to deploy the low-Sirius drone. According to sources, Russia is preparing to deploy the low-Sirius heavy drone, which has 100 kilograms of precision-guided bombs, along the entire front line. This deployment could add another layer of challenges for the Ukrainian armed forces. Summary: the Russian Aerospace Forces have adopted new offensive tactics, risking entering the range of Ukrainian anti-aircraft systems. In addition, they have changed their tactics with drones and aerial bombs as they prepare to deploy the low-Sirius drone along the front lines. These moves test the air defense capabilities of Ukraine and its allies. Thanks for watching.